Good day, my viewer. You are once welcome back to my channel after a long time of being away. I'm sorry. Today, I am going to talk about quality management system, quality control, quality assurance department, or quality assurance operation in a packaging company. Quality control, quality assurance is necessary in a packaging company like any other company, because the essence of quality control and quality assurance is to instill quality into the product that are being produced. Quality control are those controls that are put in place before, during, and after the production process to ensure that our products meet the specifications of customers and also meet customer requirements. If you want to set up quality control department in a packaging company, there are basic things that you have to consider. First, packaging company is a unique sector which is different from the other manufacturing because of its uniqueness. You know, we're talking about packaging. Packaging is the first thing that the customer will see, and we have to ensure that those our package material are very attractive and they meet the requirements that customer have specified. When we are talking about packaging, it is a very wide area. We can't be talking about, we have metal packaging, we have paper packaging, we have nylon, we have plastic, we have uh, flexibles. But today I am going to talk on packaging material, packaging company that has to do with metal operation. Metal packaging is what we are going to talk about today. So under metal packaging, if you want to carry out quality control, quality assurance operation, it must start from the raw material that are used. The raw material that are used are many. First, in raw material, we'll be talking about metal, the metal that are used, the substrate that are used, the tin, sometimes we call it tin free steel, the tin, the steel, as well as the aluminum. These are the three basic things that are used in packaging company. So this thing come in form of flat sheet called template, electrolytic template. That is template that is coated with tin on the surface. And the essence of coating it with tin is to prevent corrosion or rusting. We also have other steel called TFS, tin free steel. Tin free steel is free from tin. These are used for specific products, because why the tin are used for specific products? The tin in most cases are used for food material, because the material containers that are used for material need to be protected from direct contact with the content in order to prevent cross contamination. Aside from that, we also use aluminum. Aluminum are used in some places for caps. We call it caps, paper-proof caps. These paper-proof caps are used by pharmaceutical companies. They are used by distilleries, so to package their their product, and sometimes used by the um, water making company. So those are the basic things, material, in terms of the substrate. Apart from the substrate, there are other aspects that we also have to consider. That is the inks that are used. The inks that are used must also be checked. We have different type of inks. We have the pre-coating inks, the base. That is, when we talk about inks, we cannot group them together. Inks, some of them are used as for decorations, while we have some inks that are used for pre-coating. That is, we call it base size. We have to check the base size. We also have to check some white pre-decorations that will print on top of them. So we also have lacquer that are used to lacquer the inside of, take for instance, the tin coat, the food tin, the canned foods. The canned foods, in most cases, they are coated inside, and the inside must be, it is those chemicals that are used, lacquer, to coat the inside. Apart from that, we also have some crown cups. Some cups are also covered inside using lacquered. Okay, while we also have some different lacquer that are used for aluminium inside coating. In fact, wherever you hear about lacquer, just know that they are for protection, to protect our products. Protect our product in such a way that the product will not come in contact with the material, because if they come in contact with the material, the metal may react, and many of these things, some of them contain heavy metals that might be injurious to the final consumer. So apart from all these inks, coatings, lacquer, there are other things that we also have to check, that also we make use of in form of the material. Take for instance, before the plates are made rather, plates, we have some chemical that are used, like that are used for plate making. All these things also have to be checked, because if they are not checked, it will affect the integrity of the plate, and during the printing process, it will also affect the outcome. That is that. Then again, other packaging material that we also use in packaging these things, we must consider them, like the cartons that are used for the final packing of the product, the nylon that are used for coating the, like, for instance, the crack corks are kept inside the nylon, while PP caps, PIFA proof caps are also kept inside the nylon. So all these things must be checked. Then for the pallets which will put them inside, we must also check this. So all these things comes under quality control, because quality control must ensure that everything that are used in the production process are checked before they are used. That is, we call it